Our community service involvement stretches across many charities and organizations in the areas we serve. The STEAM team's biggest way to give back is helping local animal welfare groups and humane societies with volunteering, donations, and fostering. We have been supporting animals in need across all of our franchises for over 25 years. Part of our involvement includes attending the many dog-friendly events that happen each year, as well as paying adoption fees for some of the hardest to adopt dogs and cats. Toys for Tots has been an integral part of our charitable initiatives. We have been partnering with the Marines for over 20 years. Come every November and December, we help them collect toys for children in need. Company-wide, we have donated over $50,000 in toys to the Toys for Tots program. Canine Companions is one of our favorite organizations to be involved with. Each year, we support the program through donations and sponsorships. With our support, they can train and prepare more pups for the important role of serving a disabled person in need. You can find the STEAM team at local walks, supporting ovarian cancer, the American Heart Association, St. Jude, and autism. We enjoy supporting the special needs community by attending galas and fundraising walks to help raise money to provide better resources for their care. From donating to local women's shelters to speaking at local schools, where students learn about entrepreneurship. You can find our friendly staff under the bright yellow tent, ready to answer questions about our services while supporting local events and hosting blood drives across all of our franchises. It's so fun when we are asked to judge a pet costume contest or festive float in a parade. Watch for our big iconic yellow van driving through your community. It might be headed to do an in-kind cleaning donation for Make-A-Wish Foundation, Ronald McDonald House, or the Toys for Tots warehouse. At Stanley Steemer, we believe in giving back to the communities that have made us successful.